All right, those are just my French cut green beans. Now I'm gonna add to that a can of my mushroom soup. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna use my spatula. I'm gonna spread that all over those green beans. This is gonna be so yummy. It's kind of like a green bean casserole, you know? Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese on this. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just like cheesy green bean casserole. Now I've just got a rotisserie chicken here. I'm giggling a little bit because I ate a leg off of here earlier, but I'm just gonna pick some pieces of this right on off here. Y'all, the holidays are coming up, and this is kind of a really easy way that you can do a holiday meal if it's just one or two people and you don't want to break the bank and you don't want to buy too much food that's not going to get eaten. You can do something really simple and easy like this. Of course, you could get something like a turkey breast. I just thought a rotisserie chicken was affordable. They were on sale. I thought this would be a really good way to kind of just do this and use the rotisserie chicken as my poultry element. But of course, you can use whatever poultry you like. All right, now I've just got my stovetop stuffing. I chose the savory herb, but you can choose any kind you like. This is so delicious. It's just like a bunch of little croutons with some herbs. All right, I'm just getting this all covered to the best of my ability. This is looking good. I think this is gonna be about a whole box for this size of pie. And this is just a standard size. I did not pre-bake the crust. Now I'm just adding on some of my pats of butter. So this will get real moist. Everything's gonna cook together real nice. There's lots of herbs and spices inside that stuffing mix. We've got the mushroom soup mix flavoring our green beans down there, a little bit of a cheesy layer, that rotisserie chicken that was cooked and seasoned, and of course our stuffing and our butter on top. Y'all, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. I think it's gonna be about 35 minutes at 350. Alrighty, y'all. Thanksgiving dinner for one or two coming right up. Y'all, this is such an easy way to make your Thanksgiving dinner. If you don't have a lot of people coming over, like I said, you just make this for one or two people. You could always sub out a turkey breast instead of that chicken that I used. You could add some other veggies in here if you wanted, but I think this is gonna be super yummy. I don't wanna even lose those crust pieces I'm gonna get under my crust right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Thanksgiving dinner. Just like the pilgrims had before us. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to give this a try. I'm sure it's gonna be really yummy. I love green beans. I love pie crust. I love stuffings. Y'all, yum. The stuffing is crunchy. The mushroom soup mix, so good. With just that little bit of chicken and crunchiness and pie. This is so good, y'all. You gotta try it.